Hey there, home decorators. Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to refresh your bedroom on a budget, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 10 bedroom design ideas for 2024 that won't break the bank. From clever DIY projects to affordable decor tips, we've got something for everyone. Let's get started. Minimalist decor. Simplicity is key in 2024. Embrace the minimalist trend with clean lines, neutral colors, and functional furniture. Less is more, and it's easy on your wallet too. 2. Accent walls. Create a stunning focal point with an accent wall. Whether it's a bold paint color, wallpaper, or textured panels, this quick update can completely transform your space. 3. DIY headboards. Get creative with a DIY headboard. Use reclaimed wood, fabric, or even old doors to add a personal touch without spending a fortune. 4. Layered textiles. Layering blankets, throw pillows, and rugs can instantly make your bedroom feel cozy and inviting. Mix and match textures to add depth and warmth. 5. Multifunctional furniture. Opt for furniture that does double duty. Beds with storage, fold-out desks, and compact seating can save space and money. 6. Wall art on a budget. Don't underestimate the power of wall art. Frame your own prints, use decals, or create a gallery wall with affordable pieces to express your style. 7. Plants and greenery. Bring nature indoors with houseplants. They're an affordable way to add life and color to your bedroom, plus they purify the air. 8. Upcycled furniture. Give old furniture a new life with a coat of paint or new hardware. Upcycling is not only budget-friendly but also eco-friendly. 9. Lighting makeover. Lighting can change the entire mood of a room. Swap out old fixtures for trendy, budget-friendly options or add some fairy lights for a magical touch. 10. Personal touches. Finally, add personal touches like photos or DIY crafts. These little details make your bedroom uniquely yours. And there you have it. 10 fabulous bedroom design ideas for 2024 that won't empty your wallet. Which idea are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and hit that subscribe button for more budget-friendly home inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.